he plays the guitar. He's really a very talented musician. And you see, he's a little bit shy, but he's very talented. All the talent he put, all his shyness he put inside in his guitar. Ángel Peñaranda. That's his name. The next musician that I'm going to introduce, he plays the baby of the group. He's like a little baby, the charango. He's really a talented person, and his name is René Gisbert. Right hand, and he's probably the youngest member of New Inca Son. But you know, it's always good to have young blood, young energy, something that brings as energy. His name is Walter Suarez. Walter Suarez. The next person that I'm going to introduce, he played the wind instruments unbelievably. He definitely has been blowing these instruments since he was like this, right? He's very talented, he's very good guy. His name is Juan Caira Poma. Somebody need to do the talking. I'm sorry about my English, but I'm trying to do my best. Hopefully you understand the majority of the things I said. Hopefully you got the message as well. I play the bombo and I play the chachas. My name is Omar Clavijo. To mention one person, and